Hello guys, here is how to make weekly or daily or monthly passive income without losing your money. Yeah, I made this video about this particular platform Bitnest about some couple of months ago, and this is me showing you again that this platform is still in existence. So if you've been looking for how to earn daily income online without doing any tax, then this is your go-to platform. It's of high quality, and you're just going to absolutely enjoy this. You're not doing anything here, and I'll be showing you how to deposit here. I'll be depositing to this platform directly. I'll be depositing $50 to this platform and see how it works. So if you're here to sign up on Bitnest, all you need is a token pocket wallet. I have a previous video on how to um get started. If you've not signed up, you've not registered, you've not set up a token pocket wallet, then I have a video on how to start. If you have not started at all, if you've not registered, then watch my first video. I will drop the link to the video in the description box of this video. That video comprises how to get started, how to start up your token pocket wallet. But if you already have a token pocket wallet, then all you need to do is to have a BSC account, and this is it. This is what your token pocket account should look like. You see BNB BSC. In that previous video, I explained how to enable the BNB and the USDT BSC network on token pocket wallet. This is BNB. You need this BNB as gas fee, and you need USDT BEP20, which is the USDT on BSC network, to deposit. So that's why you are using BNB as gas fee. So meaning that whatsoever amount you want to deposit to this exchange to this platform, you need to have the USDT on the BEP20 network, and you also need to have the BSC, so you use it as gas fee. I will show you how to proceed with it. So I want to deposit $50 to this platform. What I need to do is to copy my USDT address. I'll click on receive, then I'll copy. You see BEP20, it has to be BSC network. So I'll copy, and I'll go to where I have my USDT. I'll select BEP20. So let's assume I'm going to where I have my USDT. I'll just show you the stuff and how to select the BEP20, so you know which one to send to this particular platform. Okay, so I am sending my USDT from exchange. So I'll just click here to select. You see BNB Smart Chain BEP20. That's the network I'm going to select. Then I've pasted the address that I copied from the token pocket wallet. Then I'll just proceed to deposit my USDT. So I added the gas fee with it. So you see the network that I selected. That is the exact thing you have to select if you are depositing from exchange. So meaning that you can just buy your USDT from wherever you have it. Maybe you buy Bit, Gate.io, Binance, and what have you. Then withdraw via BSC network. After, you must have copied your address from the token pocket wallet. So I've just sent in my $50. So here now I can now refresh and see. So same thing if I want to deposit this BNB. If I want to deposit BNB for gas, you just need like $1 worth of BNB. Remember I said on this platform, there is no minimum deposit and there is no minimum withdrawal. Your withdrawal is automatically sent to your balance. Yeah. So let me show you how much you'll be earning per your deposits. What I have here, they use $100 as an example. You earn 0.4% of your deposit every day, and you earn 4% in 7 days, and you earn 9.5% in 14 days, and you earn 24% in 28 days. So meaning that at the end of 28 days, if you deposit $100, you get $124. That means you've earned $24 in profits in just 28 days. Imagine you now deposit 1,000 US dollars. That means you earn $240 in 28 days. This is not Ponzi scheme. This is reliable quality investment. It's a smart contract investment. It is not a Ponzi scheme investment. This is a smart contract investment. So you are not losing money here. This platform have been in existence for a while, and they are even trying to make offices around the globe, like in different countries. So they've have platform, they've have recognition in so many countries already. So this can be a reliable way to earn daily or weekly or monthly passive income, to make your money work for you. You're not doing anything. So I will go back to the platform now, to the Token Pockets wallet app now, and check if my deposit has been received. Then go to the platform and invest. You see how much I will get for my $50 investment. Even though I will still top up my investment, you can always top up. There is room for top up. So this is it. I'm just trying to let you know that there is no minimum deposit and there is no minimum withdrawal. The withdrawal is automatic. It will be automatically sent to your Token Pocket app at the end of each cycle. At the end of, even if you select 14 days, if you select 7 days, the your funds will automatically return back to your wallet after the end, after the days period that you selected. So even though they use $100 as example here, you can see I'm using $50 and I'll still get my profit. So there is no minimum deposit and your withdrawal is automatic. So according to this now, you see how much you are going to earn. 28 days, you are earning 24%. So if you are depositing 10,000 US dollars, you are earning 12,400 US dollars. This is how to make money. Reliable way to make money. So you just leave it for 28 days. At least that makes sense. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm trying to refresh this and see. My deposit should have been received by now. So now that I have my USDT deposit and I'm still having a few amounts of gas fee for BNB that I can use for the transaction. If you don't have BNB as gas fee, you copy the same address, go to your BNB and send. You send in BNB like $1 or $2. You leave it there to be using it as gas fee. You have to have BNB as gas fee, then your USDT has to be BEP20, just like I showed in my deposit process. So you can watch the previous video on how to set up your Token Pocket wallet to have this page, then proceed to your deposit. So here now, I'll come back to this Bitnest. You copy the registration link to the discover page of this Token Pocket wallet. Then you click on enter. You are not signing up. You are not doing any connection here. At the top of this page here, you see connect wallet. You just connect your wallet and that's all. Remember to connect your wallet. I'll be using this Bitnest loop. I'll come to this Bitnest loop. That's what I'm using. Then I'll select max. I want to deposit the whole of this. I'll select 28 days. So you see, at the end of the 28 days, I'll be receiving $62. That means $12 profit without doing it. I did not do anything here. I will comfortably leave it for 28 days. At the end of 28 days, I'll come back. But my funds will be automatically sent to my wallet. I don't need to come to withdrawal or do anything. It will be automatically sent to my wallet. $62. That means $12 profit at the end of 28 days. So I'll still top up this particular account to earn more. As I said earlier, you deposit 1,000 US dollars, you are earning $1,240 at the end of 28 days. So I'm not going to do 14, 7, 1 day. No, those ones are still small. So I'll click on circulation. So you see the gas fee. That's why you need BNB as gas fee. Submitted success. It has started counting. It has started counting automatically. I'm not doing any. It started counting. What guys? What's more is more interesting than having a platform, a genuine platform to make money like this. 28 days that I counting. So by this time, September, I will come back here to withdraw my profits, then we invest. I will withdraw my profit, then we invest. Before then, I will have top up like maybe 200 or 500 US dollars and get started to earn reasonable profits. So guys, this is how to make money without doing anything here. Actually, this is reliable way to make money without doing anything. So check the link in the description box of this video on how to get started, the registration link, the link to the previous video so that you can see the how to set up your token pockets wallet. And if you want to try this on using MetaMask wallet or OKX wallet, you can try it, but preferably I'm using token pockets wallet. So you can try out your wallet, whichever you want to use. Just copy the link to your wallet browser and proceed to your connection, and that's it. Make sure you have BNB as gas fee, then your USDT should be in Bet20 network, and you are good. You're not doing any tax. So I'll just leave it and go enjoy my life. So guys, this is how to make daily income online without doing any tax here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for subsequent updates. I'll keep bringing you back-to-back updates on this investment platform and every other investment opportunity platform too. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. Also join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on my back-to-back updates. Check the link to my Telegram channel in the description box of this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.